No. What did it say?
What the hell was that? That was crazy. So is Edward here?
Did it say what is it?
Edward, are you here? We heard you say your name a minute ago. Who's here? I want to speak to Edward. That sounded like your voice, man.
It did.
That's weird.
What the heck was that?
Edward, are you still here?
No.
No or no? I thought I heard no.
Oh.
That was fuck. Was it not? Oh, you live? I'm sorry. Sorry, live people.
Oh no. It's my page.
So this is an app that we saw some people using, and like, I don't know, we're not really big on apps at all, but we thought, let's see what they were doing and play with it and see if there's any chance it's valid. So what it is it's a series of audible
Hello.
human responses. So they're backwards, they're playing backwards. So the theory is they could reverse that and give us speech. That's the theory on how it works. We always try stuff out for ourselves and see what we think.
Hello.
Hi. So if there's anybody here that wants to talk to us, you can try to use this and speak to us. My name's Matt. Can you say my name?
My name's Taryn. Can you say my name?
My name's Al. That's really easy to say, Al.
That was weird.
Reb?
Is that what that said? Did you just say Reb?
Did I say? What did I say?
Ew, that sounded like a little kid.
Yeah. That's what me and Matt are, is we're rebels. We're Confederates.
Without a clue.
The rebels without a cause.
That too. Union? I heard Union.
The Union?
Yeah.
Well, we're Confederates.
The machine's whispering.
Taryn's Union. She's a Yankee.
People?
Back up.
Back up.
I don't know. I'm not sold on it.
I'm not either. Can you say one of our names for validation?
Yeah.
Matt, Taryn, or Al?
No.
That was clear as anything. Now, was that on there?
I don't know.
That was over here.
What, did it come from there?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
It came from the phone?
Because it was a
Because
definite
it
no.
sounded different.
So you can't say our name.
Because this said the Taryn last night on the other guys.
It's 3 times.
3 times.
Yes. Not ours, when they were using it.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to hold up fingers. Can you tell me how many fingers I'm holding up?
How many fingers is Matt holding up?
Did that just say 4?
That's what I honestly thought, which could be me thinking it said that, but fingers. Dude, that, no way.
Well, we're recording, so.
All right, one more time. One more time. How many fingers am I holding out? Can you give me a number? How many fingers I'm holding out if you can see me?
I thought I keep thinking I'm hearing 4.
Okay, did somebody say 4? If you said 4, say yes, please.
4. Holy crap, I heard it clear as day.
4.
Holy crap, I heard that clear as day. Did they hear that, whoever's on your live?
Yeah, I don't know if they're hearing it or not.
Well, if you said 4, thank you.
I keep hearing this bullfrog over here go boom. It keeps going boom. Boom.
Does it?
Justin,
That's creepy.
Justin and Brandon just said, I heard 4 clear as day.
Yeah, okay.
Holy
I
shit.
heard the last 4.
Okay, so
All right.
I'll take it if they heard it too.
I mean,
Again, we're not endorsing this app at
No,
all. We're
I mean,
we're really just playing right now just to see if there's any chance there's any validity
I think
to
it's
it.
pretty hokey, but I mean,
That was pretty cool. I will give
Yeah.
you that.
but I mean, this thing wouldn't have the name Taryn in its bank.
No, well,
to use.
it's all backwards speech
Right.
pieces. It's not actually even full speech.
Yeah,
So
so,
about 8 of us heard her name last night 3 times.
yeah.
All right, so let's try this. What color shirt? What's this color right here? What color am I looking at?
Shit, I don't even know what color this is.
If we get a color, that would be. Can you tell me what color this is?
Pretty.
Wow. Al's not pretty, but what color is his
I
shirt?
think it was talking about Taryn.
Ah, okay, maybe. I'll agree with that.
Because then it wasn't talking about me.
Yeah, no.
No, but you're saying what color. Maybe she's just saying the color's pretty.
What? Hey, what color? So what color is this? If you really can see us, tell me what color this is right here.
Red.
That's,
Did that say red?
one more time for me.
What color are my shorts?
We're at the creek bed behind Steinmeier Ave in Gettysburg.
What color are my shorts?
Blue. Did you hear
I
that?
heard blue. plain
But it was
blue.
like drug out. Yeah. That was like they're making fun of us.
That sounded like it said Al.
Al's wearing blue.
Blue and maroon.
I can't believe that this could even be working. I'm like, my
Yeah.
mind is
Yeah,
like,
I
this
mean,
is
I
not
don't-
making sense. So,
And you're not touching it. Nobody's touching it.
no. And there's no words programmed into it. So
I
now
heard
I'm just
blue.
thinking of
I
random
heard
things.
blue very faintly.
Somebody said that?
Yeah, they heard blue.
Okay. So I'm going to say a word that should not be in your bank. I want you to repeat it back to me. Corn chowder. Can you say corn chowder? Can you please say corn chowder for me? Not trying to make you play parlor tricks, just want validation that we're talking to you. Corn chowder, can you say that?
painting? Did I say painting?
It
Sounded like.
It was like,
a
it was like painting. What?
Can you say corn chowder?
thought I heard corn.
You can say it in 2 words, like corn chowder.
Can you say Tyron?
All right, how about hot dog? And why am I food references? That's like really weird.
Can you say rebel? Say rebel. I think you're done talking.
Daniel?
Did I just say Matt? I heard a Daniel too.
All right, I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay.
You're going to turn it off?
Yeah, if you want to say something, say it. So, because I'm gonna stop it. Can you say goodbye? Tell us goodbye.
Was that goodbye?
Or good night? So that's what I'm not sure.
If
That's
I
so
say
weird.
goodbye, can you say goodbye? Bye-bye. Dad? Are you looking for your dad?
I heard Daniel again.
Al?
I heard Al.
So, if you guys have ever watched Paranormal Lockdown or even Ghost Adventures, it's like a geophone.
It's what it reminds me of.
Yeah, it's kind of like a geophone because theirs does this nonstop. It just spits out random stuff, and then if you hear a word, then it's,
Yeah, that's what I was trying to ask, like real specific things.
But I mean, it was answering.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for, more than me just going down a rabbit hole at random words, And that's the thing that's hard with these kind of things. You can get sucked into that.
Yeah. And I'm not a believer.
Oh, yeah, I know.
That was
Ooh,
creepy.
that was weird.
All right, can you tell me what this is right here?
Jersey?
Jersey.
Yeah. Can you tell me what this is? I'm holding in my hand.
Light.
Light.
What?
Shit. I don't know, man. That's...
What is that? Do you like it?
Oh, my God.
Did you... Please tell me somebody that...
Like
there's 4
it.
people that are watching this.
It said like it.
Clear as... I got chill bumps. I'm like...
You want me to do it again?
I do.
If you want me to do it again, say light.
Light.
Okay, there you go.
Do you like that?
Is it pretty?
Help?
Need help.
You need help.
It said burn and need help. I heard burn.
I can't debunk
Do
some
you
of
need-
this.
Yeah,
Do you
I
need help?
can't.
Are you?
Hi.
Where are you right now? Did I just say? Did it say spirit?
This is gonna sound really weird, but I was totally not here.
Huh?
I was like zoned out,
Oh, really?
which is weird.
All right, we're gonna turn it off. Matt,
Oh man, that's creepy.
did somebody say Matt?
Me? Who wants to talk to me real quick before we turn it off?
Matt.
Again. Okay, so who's trying to speak to me? You know my name. What's yours? Can you tell me what your name is? You said my name twice. Do you have a message you want me to give? This is your last chance. Tell me why you said my name, please. All right, well, if you're not going to tell me why you said my name, then I'm going to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good night. Hold on.
Good night.
Wow, it was
So,
that was something.
So here's the thing. There's a couple things there. I gotta get these bugs.
Yeah, yeah.
But there's a couple things I can't. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, we do ITC stuff, as you all know.
Nobody
We're
can.
very careful.
We can't see you, so can you? Can we go in the light? So
Sure. I'm gonna keep this recorder running.
no, I have my recorder going too.
Um,
I don't know how much of I'm a believer I am, but that was like, I mean, the answers just kept on.
That's what I was gonna say. You know, we do a lot of ITC stuff, and I do believe in ITC if you use controls and you use common sense and you really try to debunk what you get. But we were asking for direct things that, even if they had a bank of words hidden in there, right?
Yeah, how
Which
is it
always my
answering?
weirdness with apps. We say how many fingers are we holding out.
And it says 4.
We hear 4, and they hear it out there too. Whoever's watching, that's hard. Then we heard like it. We all heard it.
Right.
Yeah.
You like the light, or they said light. So there were like 3 or 4
Well, I asked,
responses.
do you like it? And they said like it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you said, if you say I like it, I'll light it again. And it was like, light?
Yeah. So I don't know.
I don't know.
I ain't gonna endorse it by no
Yeah.
means, but I am definitely curious to play with it more because
How much was that, Al?
$10. That's what I'm saying. Like, what can it hurt to play with it?
True.
I'm not presenting it as hardcore evidence, just saying.
Spent hundreds of dollars on shit that ain't ever worked before.
Yeah.
Maybe we should try, like, I'll download it, you down, and we'll put it on at the same time.
That'd be cool.
Just to see
Hell yeah.
If-
we can get communication in 2 places.
and see if
matches.
it's.
Yeah. The only thing is my phone's was less than 10%.
Oh.
I mean,
I can download it. Hell, I don't care. I'll buy
I've
it.
got zero bars.
I'm good. I've got battery. We could try it. If you want to try that?
They're saying it's very interesting.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Yeah.
like I
Yeah,
said,
yeah. Yeah, we can try it.
I'm
we
definitely
were-
not
we were-
wanting to endorse it. I'm just saying
Right.
that I think it's definitely something that you could play with and see if there's any validity to it. I'm always open to trying new things. So
Yeah, me too.
We were intrigued by it last night on the bridge.
'Cause
Well,
we
that's
heard-
because it said my name. Like,
like
how,
3 times.
and it wasn't Karen. It was Taryn. It was with a T. Believe me, I know. I probably have. I hope I was recording
I know I was. Yeah, I was.
last night.
No. I didn't even have my recorder. I left it in the car like a dumbass. Pretty cool.
Yeah.